wrongs, I have just begun. Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy. Huh. Got that purple Lamborghini.
Hello everyone, this is Dhruv from Dhruv Buzz and welcome to my another episode of RateBox. Let's check out what my brother brings this time. Let's see. Damn, what is this, man? Bro, really? Who orders projector, man? Alright guys, I don't know what my brother was thinking, but he got us a projector. So let's see, it's in Benest. I think that's how you say it, but it's in Benest 3200 lumens video projector. It's their new flagship model called CL760. Let's check out their features. They put it in the box, as you can see it over here. So their features are remote control. You can control the projector by remote. It's an MHL support. I think you can link your mobile tablet to the projector. The bulb that's inside the projector, it's an LED source, so it's an LED bulb. It has stereo speakers. You can also use headphones. You can plug the headphones in the projectors. It has HDMI. It has AV input and VGA input. All right, let's see what's is in the box. All right, so it's really good. Here we got a HDMI that was included in the box. There's a user manual for the projector. It shows like the visual instructions, how to use the remote control, and how you start and everything. And it also include warranty card too. It's in the back. And here's the projector itself. Let's see. It feels really lightweight. It's not that heavy. The design is really good. As you can see, it has audio video input. It has that headphone jack here. It has the VGA cable input too. There are two HDMI's input, and then they have two USB for the USB drive. Yeah, and then it looks pretty good, and it has a slide in, so you don't need to like take out the cover and then lose the cover or not. Let's put this aside. It has that you can move the projector high. Let's see. Okay, so it's got the power cable. It also a remote. Here's the that video cable I was talking about, AV support. And okay, let's see if it include batteries or not. Okay, so it doesn't include a battery, so we have to put the batteries in. All right, so let's check how it works. Okay guys, so we just set up the projector here. We're gonna test the video quality of the projector and sound quality of it. And for video quality, I just plugged in my Fire Stick. I'm just gonna go to YouTube and look up 4K video, so see if it support 4K or not. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so I just searched 4K, and since Aquaman is coming. It's on theater, so let's check out the 4K trailer of Aquaman. So let's check it out.
YouTube TV. Watch like a fan.
Damn, man.
My parents were from different worlds. And I was a product of the love that never should have been.
Could unite our worlds one day.
A son of the land and a son of the seas.
My mother always knew you were special.
Alright, so guys,
You
it's
are part of something.
the video quality is really good, as you can see it.
Between land and sea.
You can it's kind of like you're seeing a movie in theater.
This king.
Damn, the colors are really bright in the projector. So alright guys, so as we see it, the video quality is really good. It does support 4K. As I was seeing in the movie theater, it does look like that. The sound, it was a bit too, like, you know, noisy, but it was good. It was not that bad. As I just put it one more 4K video. As you can see it, the video quality is really good. I really like the quality of the video. The colors are really bright and natural, as you can see it. As you can see, all the colors of grass, trees are really natural, as you can see on the video. So this one's a 4K video of Peru. As you can see it, the river looks really good. The color are really bright. Alright guys, so as we can see that the projector is really good. As you can compare to the name brand projector like Epson and others. The downside about this projector is that it doesn't support Bluetooth, but every other like aspect of the projector is spot on. So let's check out the settings of the projectors. As you can see, it has a picture mode, which is it has, I think, 4 picture mode preloaded in the projector. One is standard, one is soft, and user, where you can manually control all the settings, kind of like a contrast, brightness, color, or sharpness. And the last one is vivid, which is one of the preloaded settings of the projector. So it has a noise reduction middle, which is kind of like if you're putting it like how you want to reduce the noises, which is it's kind of like low, high, medium, like middle, default. So we're just gonna choose default right now. And then it has a HDMI mode to DVD. If you're using DVD player, it says like, alright, if you're using DVD or PC on that. The other settings would be for sound. So we have sound mode, which is it also loaded with preloaded sound mode. So kind of like standard, music, movie, and sports. And then you can there's a sound mode called user, where you can manually changes the treble or bass. Alright, as we go back, there is a balance, auto, volume on and off. If we go to the next screen, we have a time, where we can like set up the timer, the sleep time, and then auto sleep. So like if no one is touching it like for 15 seconds or 30 seconds, it will automatically turn off. Or For this one, it's for 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. And the last one is just options, where like you can reset the projector, where you can change the language. You can also update the software, but you have to do it by USB. So what you have to do is you have to take an blank USB. You have to download the software update from their website, and then you can plug it in the projector, and you can update the software in the projector. So as you can see right now, it didn't detect any. Once again, summarize the rating I gave it. For video quality, I gave 9 out of 10 because it was really good. As you can see it, the 4K was looking really good. And for sound, I give it 7.5 out of 10, since in some video the sound was unclear and some video was okay. So because of that, I'm giving 7.5 out of 10 for sound. So overall, I'll give this projector an 8.5 out of 10. The projector is really good. How much did you got it from? 164. Okay, so my brother got this projector from Amazon at price $164.99. So alright guys, I'll put the link down in the description so you can order the projector from it. Alright guys, this is Dhruv from Dhruv Buzz. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get an update of my upcoming videos. And this is Dhruv signing off.